riding around. We have a GPS here. We have an intersection, left turner. Slow it down, slow it down. You don't know if there's somebody behind them also turning. Okay, you could have stopped. All right, every year, unfortunate biker lose their lives to reckless individuals like this idiot. Why are you in my lane? Get out of the way. There you go. Oh my gosh, thankfully. We had to apply the brakes pretty hard, but it might have had to swerve too. So thankfully that person just switched back to their lane. All right, here we go. Oh, idiot on the road. Let him be up front. He's going to hit somebody else, not me. They're going to hit a car, maybe. They have a crumple zone. I don't. I'm going to get bloody and bruised and dead. Okay, what's this? I don't want to watch the whole thing. All right, here we go.
Where the writers
nice little tight turn going around. Practice your tight turns. Oh, little kid, practice your braking too. We do that in the book. We practice our tight turns and our emergency braking because of kids. All right, here we go. What do we got here? We got a side of the vehicle, and they're coming out. They're coming out. They're coming out. Good job moving over a little bit. Rev bomb, not a big deal, but I wouldn't have done that. I would have moved over even more. Maybe emergency accelerated out of that. Okay. Here we go. Use indicator and check blind spot. Yeah, it's a merge area. You know that we're coming up to a merge area. You know that they're going to come over. So just be a kind person and move over to the next lane and let them in. All right, here we go. Moving through here. Got a turn coming up, possibly. Crest of the hill. Oh, side of the vehicle. Slowing it down. Nice little swerve. Good job. Too fast, too soon. Handled it. Handled it. That's a common issue. Oh, we're going to race. Yeah, we're going to race around all these cars, and we're going to act like idiots. And yeah, we're all over the road. Yeah, boy. Yeah, we're going to run into cars, and you're going to hit me, and I'm going to almost crash. Yeah, but I'm not going to learn my lesson. Moving on. We got intersection, hazardous area, left turners, right turners, swerve, swerve, swerve. Good job with the swerve. It wasn't our fault that people wanted to do that. It's not our fault. We expect them to watch out for us. They didn't do that, but we took our safety in our own hands and we did a nice swerve. Very good. Very good. All right. Open lane pattern right here. Our lane's moving faster than that slow lane, so people might want to switch over like that. Oh, he wanted to switch over because he wanted to get into there. Hey, good job applying the brakes. Double check your blind spot. All right. Head-on wreck. Here we go. Let's take a look. Head-on wreck. What is it? Oh, telling people to slow down. Okay, so can we rescue? You know, maybe no one here has any medical knowledge. There's no fire trucks. There's no police. There's nobody on scene. Can we help? You know, if we have that medical knowledge and we have a nice trauma kit in our little luggage case right there, like, can we help? This is a great opportunity if you can. Here we go. First time I felt ABS did something. There's the little click, 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 click. It did it, but probably a new rider. Probably a new rider trying to figure out how to apply the brakes. Guys, practice. We do this. We do this in the book. We do this in the book. We practice emergency braking, especially in Chapter 9 when we're doing it for the test. Practice your brakes. Wear gear. That's Chapter 1. That's Chapter 1. Tell you what, the minimum gear you have, this is not even the minimum. Minimum is gloves, long sleeve shirt, long pants, at least some ankle boots, and a full face helmet. So he has a helmet because he has the camera on the helmet, but he doesn't even have anything else. Please. Do you have a long sleeve shirt at least? All right, roundabouts, intersections. Okay, we got somebody coming out. Okay, let them in. Pretty good. Rev bomb. Come on. That's not. You're making it to where it's difficult for your bike to modulate. Just cruise. Downshift. All right, ride to horizon. Here we go.
Completely ignored the rider.
Okay. What about that person to the left? Coming over. Blind spot. Brakes. Good job with the brakes. Saw it last second, but still did a good job. Get in your car. Get in your car. What are you doing? All right. Here we go. We have a red light up ahead. We're going to have to start applying the brake. Oh, green light. All right, here we go. Watch out for anybody wanting to get in that open lane like a motorcycle. Got in the open lane. If you're going to do that, motorcycle guy, accelerate. All right, sharp right turn coming up ahead. We're stuck behind this car. Are they going to turn left? Probably. They're really slow at it.
What are you doing?
GPS said to do it, or said to do it on the next one. I don't know. Little parking lot, having some fun. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Jack trade. Okay, that's a big deal. Somebody's coming in your lane. You moved over to the next one. Not a big deal there. Okay, watch out for anybody doing that again. Okay, we got this thing right here. What do we got? We got a left turner way up ahead. They're going slow to the turn, so you're going to have to move over. Okay. Another, Jack, what's going on with you, man? Why, if you're having this many close calls, you should probably be paying attention to how you ride. All right, cyclist flips me off for no reason. Okay. All right, whatever. Whatever. I don't care. Have your fun if you want to have it. Whatever. He can't catch you. All right, cut me off and try to hit me, and I was not very happy about that one. Oh, we got some road rage going on here. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, get cut off. Okay, you moved over to a new position, moved off to the right, so you did a good job with an evasive maneuver. Hey, what are you going to do now? You're going to switch over multiple lanes and speed up, put yourself in a hazardous situation because it's nighttime. You don't know, and it's going to be very hard to see road surface hazards, and you're just going to try to get close to this person and be like, I don't like you, because that's going to change their behavior. All right, here we go. I didn't see the accident. Crow, this is in Tucson. This is an older video. I remember seeing this. So he sees an accident. He's trying to tell everybody he's rescuing, remaining calm, ensuring his own safety, getting off the side of the road, helping people out.
Okay, perfect.
Remember what I said in the previous video on this live stream is that was there a medical emergency that causes an accident? So it could be a medical emergency, especially with elderly.
Park your car. Put it in the park. You cannot move your car, sir. It's completely damaged.
Yeah, usually elderly will have like a stroke, heart issues, like they'll vagal down, lose pressure, and then kind of pass out, come back.
Yeah, you should.
There's a lot of issues that typically older drivers have. So be careful
Said that we don't need to
around winter visitors, snowbirds. If you don't know what that is,
Yeah, move your car. Move
southern
your car.
states
Don't-
get the nice winter visitors during the winter because it's kind of calm and relaxing, like in Arizona, because they're trying to escape all the snow and craziness up north. And then in the summertime, they go back up north. In the summertime, down here in the south, it's super hot. So we get the best, safest riding in the summertime when it's the hottest.
Now you cannot.
And when it's really nice out, when it should be the best riding season for Arizonans, we have a bunch of idiots. Take that back. Not idiots, old people that are terrible drivers. So that sucks. Nice slippers. But with that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Grab yourself a book, grab yourself a slice of pizza, hit that like button. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I will be seeing you guys on the next live stream.